What's going on, boys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode here at the J&A Life. So today, not sure if y'all can see, but we got the Nissan in here with no headlights. Been waiting on having some time to do this, and was waiting on some headlights. They've been in for a while now, so we're gonna go ahead and get those put in. Here's the new driver's side headlight. A lot cleaner than what we had going on. Show y'all what we had. So yeah, guys. I went ahead and installed the old bulbs, and it didn't come with no bulbs, so I went ahead and installed that off camera. But yeah, guys, just gonna get everything situated and get ready to put these in. Oh, just got it sitting in there, boys, and look at it. Check it out. Haha. A lot cleaner. We just need to get a new front bumper and a new grill. I don't know. Might just murder this grill out. It's not broken. There's nothing wrong with it. Just needs some paint. I might just murder it out. Paint it all black. Get it to go a little better with the headlights. Replace the front bumper. It's our beater, but what the heck. Might as well. Fixing all the rust on it. Just trying to get it up to par a little bit. Baby, check out this headlight. Should look dope. Also, guys, I wanted to mention the whole reason why we're switching out the headlights is because the passenger side headlight on the old headlights, for some reason, the low beam and the high beam bulbs weren't working. So we figured maybe it was in the light itself. So it was just time to freshen up the headlights anyways, but that's why the passenger side headlight is getting 2 fresh new bulbs, y'all. We weren't sure if the bulbs were just bad or if it was just the light. So we just went ahead and got new everything. Yeah, it's got that little gasket ring. nice and fresh though. There it is, y'all. Wifey's just going through, putting in these clips. Y'all can see. Need one over here. Yeah, boys. The quarter panel fixed. New headlights. We're gonna get a new bumper. Chilling, y'all. Our beater's even coming along.